feel pain, they feel pain. They all wanna live just like me. And when are we gonna see that there's no difference in suffering? One species, we're all the same. We're all sentient beings. When they bleed, I bleed. When they scream, I scream. When they are abused, doing it to me and you. And if you want peace, then we have to stop supporting